when you feel the spark from the desert sun to the magic in the dark. Moonrae Magickal Designs is opening the door with flat Milligan's creations. We're giving you more. It's a happy meal challenge, crafting outside of the box, present in chaos. Yeah, this collab rocks. From the sands to the stars, let the creativity flow. Pack up your magic and get ready to go. One, pick a mold. Two, choose a hue. Three, a wild card item. It's all up to you. Pack them in a box, send your chaos through the mail. This creative swap is never gonna fail. It's a happy meal challenge, crafting outside of the box, present in chaos. Yeah, this collab rocks. From the sands to the stars, let the creativity flow. Pack up your magic and get ready to go. Listen up close, don't let the dates pass by. May 5th is the limit to apply. Get your packages shipped, don't you be late. We're building the hype, it's gonna be great. Then mark your calendars, don't you forget. The big reveal video drops June 27th. Moonrae Magickal, flat Milligans too. The chaos is calling, now it's up to you. Make it dusty, make it magic. It's a happy meal challenge, crafting outside